Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to your beginner's leg workout. All you'll need for today is a chair or wall, something you can hold on to that you'll feel comfortable with your balance. Okay, let's get started. Let's just take big steps side to side. If you'd like a bigger warm-up after our warm-up here, you can also click on my video for your basic beginner's warm-up. Right? Otherwise, if you've already walked outdoors a little bit or walked around the house, maybe you'll be feeling warmed up enough. Take the legs wide, knees track over the second toes, inhale down, exhale, squeeze up. Stay here or add some arms. Pull those abs in and up, core is working. Maybe you go a little deeper, feel a stretch on the way down. If you're really new to exercise, just go as low as you feel comfortable. Good. Now we take our jumping jack tap side to side. If you've done one of my workouts before, maybe you know you can advance this to a little squeeze, right? Trying not to lean. Keep breathing, warming up the body. Almost done with our warm-up. Good. Now, hands back to hips. We move on to our plie sumo squat. This is our first exercise. We're just gonna come up nice and slow. So come down into your squat. We come up 4 slow counts. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, squeeze the legs, but try not to lock your knee joint down. 2, 3, 4, good. You can add on light weights here, maybe 1 to 5 pounds. Otherwise, please just make sure those legs are nice and wide, that the knee is not going past your toes, right? I have a wider stance than most, so you don't have to be as wide as me, but check out the mirror, make sure your knees aren't going past the toes. We're gonna take this a little faster, but we're going to control the movement. Exhale on the way up. Good, keep squeezing without locking. And break. Now, hand is to the wall or a sturdy chair. Make sure that chair will not fall down on you. Once again, check out the mirror alignment with the knee. The knee should be stacked over the ankle. It's not going forward and it's not too far back. The back knee should feel comfortable as well. Find an alignment where there's no pain. All the weight is in your front heel, up 4 slow counts. Squeeze at the top, inhale the lower. Good. Again, slow, exhale. Slower you go, the more you can feel it. So let's take it a little faster. Make sure you're not leaning forward, you're coming straight down, okay? If you're coming straight down and all the weight is in your heel, you shouldn't feel any knee pain, right? If you do, please don't do this exercise. Go back to your doctor or physical therapist before you come back to this workout. Inhale. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Good, we're going to switch sides. Find your alignment, opposite foot forward. Make sure you're doing the opposite foot, right? That you're not doing the same foot. Inhale down, exhale, squeeze. Core's working. Check out that alignment side mirror. Now if you're feeling any pain in the back knee, oftentimes you have to take it further back a little bit, right? Sometimes it's too close and it's getting a lot of pressure as you lower. Inhale, exhale. Now make sure all that weight is not on the chair, right? You're trying to use the leg strength to come up. If you can't do as many reps or you can't go as low, don't worry. As you progress, you'll be able to go lower and you'll be able to maybe take hands to hips. Exhale, good. One more here. Squeeze. Shake it out, all right, especially if you're going low, you might be feeling it. Back to your wide plie. We're going down 1 count. Check out those knees. Up, 2, squeeze. Inhale, lower. Maybe arms come with you, or maybe you're holding those light weights. Up, 2, squeeze. Inhale, exhale. Good. Give yourself a core check. Abs are working. If you need a break, come back to me as soon as you can. Almost there, we're halfway. Good, take it faster. Down and up. Only go as low as you feel comfortable. 4, we have 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now stay there. Maybe give me an isometric hold. Breathe through your hold. So remember, knees aren't going past the toes. Check it out. If there's no knee pain, you have 8 pulses. 6, 4, 2, strong core, and stand up. Good. Back to your second set of lunges. Readjust the chair as needed. Find a lunge where there's no pain in that front knee or the back knee. Readjust. Up slow to start. Make sure everything feels okay. Squeeze without locking. And maybe take it faster. Maybe you're holding a weight in the outside hand now. Or maybe you'd like to add a cardio arm. Just make sure you're coming straight down, not leaning forward. Good. Exhale, inhale. You can think about hovering those toes up in front, or you can actually hover them, right? Only if you feel good with balance. Squeeze and squeeze. Good. Opposite side, left foot forward. Make sure you even out if you did opposite. Find a comfortable alignment. Come up slow. Readjust the feet if you have any pain. Exhale. Good. Take it faster, a pace that feels comfortable to you. Maybe arms coming up, maybe holding a weight in the outside arm. If you are, pull those shoulders back, right? Try not to hunch forward. Only go as low as you feel comfortable. Good. Almost there, almost there. 2 and 1. Excellent. Use the chair to step in. If you have energy for your bonus round, you're coming against the wall now. You're walking those feet forward. You should find a connection to the head, shoulder blades, and hips at the wall. So walk those feet forward enough that the knee is once again stacked over the ankle, okay? And then when you can, connect the head, shoulder blades, and hips. So those 3 points of connection, abs pull in and up, right? And please keep the hands away from the knees, right? With them more on the thighs or just relaxing to the side. If you're feeling really strong, maybe keep all the weight in the left heel. Maybe you're gonna hover. If not, don't worry. Maybe an extra weight in the right foot. Maybe you'll hover. If not, don't worry. Stay as low as you can. Maybe you're at 90. Maybe you're higher. Maybe you're lower. Just no knee pain. Stay here up to 1 minute. Right? And don't forget to comment below how long you stayed. Great job today, you guys. You can use that chair for a quad stretch, holding on. Breathing into the front of the leg. Good. We'll take 1 more breath. And we'll switch sides. You can hold on to the wall or your chair. Other side. Right, when we need balance, sometimes it helps to look on the floor in front of you as well, something that's not moving. Good. Relax down. Hamstring stretch. Heart is lifted. Square your hips. Maybe the toe comes up, bringing the stretch into the lower part of the leg. And switch sides. Lift the heart. A little stretch. Great job, guys. If you'd like extra stretching or extra legs, you can continue on with our second leg workout or stretching. Otherwise, have a great week. Let me know what workout you'd like next. Have a great week. Thank you.